Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get dark mode on Snapchat in Android. So in Android, they have the dark mode feature. Like in the new Androids like Samsung etc. You have a dark mode feature in your status or notifications bar. But even with turning that on, if you don't get dark mode, then what you can do is you are gonna go on Snapchat, and once you are over here, what you are going to do, you are come over to settings, tap on your profile icon and tap on this gear icon, and once you are in the settings, what you have to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom. In this support section, tap on this I need help, and once you do that, obviously it's going to open their support center, and over here you're just gonna go ahead and write dark mode, and once you do that, just click over here how to enable dark mode on Snapchat, and obviously they are going to tell you like this is for my iOS, so I'm not gonna be following these steps, but for your Android it's obviously going to give you these steps. So right now there are iOS steps, go ahead and follow these and you will be done. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.